For nearly 2 decades, the F-22 Raptor has ruled the skies. Built for air dominance, it was designed to defeat any fighter aircraft on the planet. With unmatched stealth, supercruise capability, and extreme maneuverability, the F-22 became one of the most feared fighter jets ever created. But even legends don't last forever. Behind closed hangar doors and deep inside classified U.S. Air Force programs, a new aircraft is being developed. A fighter so advanced that many experts believe it will completely redefine aerial warfare. This aircraft is part of a secretive program known as Next Generation Air Dominance, or NGAD, and it may soon replace the mighty F-22. The F-22 first entered service in 2005. At the time, it was decades ahead of anything else flying. Its stealth design made it nearly invisible to radar. Its engines allowed it to fly at supersonic speeds without afterburners, and its advanced sensors gave pilots an unmatched view of the battlefield. But the world has changed. Rival powers like China and Russia are developing their own advanced fighters. Aircraft such as the Chinese J-20 and Russia's Su-57 are designed to challenge American air superiority. To stay ahead, the United States is preparing something far more advanced, the NGAD fighter. Unlike traditional fighter jets, NGAD is not just a single aircraft. It is an entire system of systems. At the center of this system is a 6th-generation stealth fighter designed to control the battlefield from the sky. But this aircraft will not fight alone. It will command a fleet of autonomous drones known as loyal wingmen. These drones can scout enemy territory, jam radars, carry extra weapons, or even sacrifice themselves to protect the main aircraft. Imagine a single pilot controlling multiple unmanned fighters at the same time. That's the future of air combat. The NGAD fighter is also expected to feature next-generation stealth technology. While the F-22 was designed to evade radar, the new aircraft may reduce its signature across multiple spectrums, including infrared detection. This means enemy sensors could struggle not just to see it on radar, but even detect its heat signature. Speed will also play a critical role. Early reports suggest the aircraft could fly significantly farther than current fighters, allowing it to operate across the vast distances of the Pacific Ocean, a key requirement for potential conflicts in the Indo-Pacific region. But perhaps the most revolutionary feature will be artificial intelligence. Advanced AI systems could help analyze battlefield data instantly, recommend tactics to the pilot, and coordinate drone wingmen during combat. In some situations, AI might even make split-second decisions faster than any human pilot could. This level of technological integration could make the NGAD fighter the most powerful air combat platform ever built. The aircraft is also expected to carry advanced weapons, including next-generation air-to-air missiles designed to strike targets from extreme distances. In future battles, enemy aircraft might be destroyed before they even realize they've been detected. But despite these incredible capabilities, the U.S. Air Force has revealed very little about the aircraft's exact design. No official images of the final fighter have been released, which has only fueled speculation. Some concept images show a sleek, tailless stealth aircraft with a diamond-shaped wing. Others suggest a long-range interceptor optimized for speed and endurance. Whatever the final design looks like, one thing is certain. The fighter that replaces the F-22 will represent a massive leap forward in technology, and once it enters service, it could dominate the skies for decades. The future of air warfare is already being built, hidden in classified facilities, tested in secret flight programs, and designed to ensure the United States maintains control of the skies. The F-22 may be a legend, but the next-generation fighter could be something even more powerful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more deep dives into the world's most advanced military aircraft, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because the future of aerial warfare is only just beginning.